Hello everyone, my name is Vivek Kumar and welcome to the Tech Vivek channel. Today we are building a complete stock trading platform, landing page using React.js and Bootstrap. This is a beginner-friendly tutorial. You will create a professional-looking trading platform similar to Zerodha like this. And this project overview, what we build a complete landing page, a multiple section, Bootstrap, component based architecture, like this, okay, and component breakdown. First of the index.js, okay, index.js, this is the index.js like this, and the render is like this homepage render, okay, and then that's the navbar is the homepage, like this homepage. This is homepage, okay. Homepage is import navbar, if there's navbar here, import our. This is the function, export the function, and then the page, like this, okay. And there is a navigation bar. It's a navigation like to sign about product, pricing support, responsive navbar, logo, image, public folder, and and hero section. This is a hero section. Large unit of the main handling everything like this. Okay, investing in everything is only platform design of this is the UI part, and our section. Our part is this pretty container and first row. This is first row and two column class is created, and then this is this part. This is this part. This is our part. This is the first column and second column. This is created, and state section. State section. And this is state section is like this, okay. And the section is trust with confidence, customer first of always, and so the UI part and integrated as this is a normal UI, like not expensive UI, okay. That's good to matter, and definitely and build a full trusted project, okay. And pricing component. This is pricing component, okay. This is the pricing component. This is created a tape container and first column, the first row and two columns. First column is the enable pricing and you will assign it in the specific pricing, and second column is you will pay and you will store it and print whatever, okay. And this is an education section. Okay. Education section is a one container. These one and there is I made one row, and I have a two column. First column is this basically and then if the second column is you open the market just like this in type. Okay. Okay. And open account component. This is open account component. This is first row, and the one tag is a paragraph service, and this is sign button. Okay. Not working. This is the UI part. Okay. And there is a footer. This is a footer. Everything footer. And two column. Only the fourth column. One column is the unique logo, and then calculating, and the second is the column company support account, and there's a list. Create a list. Very good. File structure is okay, and this is in okay. So friend, that's it. Today tutorial you have the successful created beautiful and responsive stock trading platform landing page using React and Bootstrap. In this video we cover the setting of the project structure, creating the visual React component, building the professional app, and I guess on the what page 5. Oh, sorry, my mistake. Adding about this and implementation education section, creating folder important purchases. And this is in the upcoming part. In series, we will build about page, product page, pricing support page, credit performing tool, and we'll React router for navigation app between page backend with Node.js and Node.js. Oh yeah, the Node.js and Express and database is the memory and user application of slide dashboard and ready real time data integration. This is going to the full stack project. If you found the tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to Tech View channel, comment below if you have any questions. Share with your friend who want to learn web development. Complete source code is available on my GitHub link in this description below. See you in the next part where we will add routing and create about page. Keep coding, keep learning, and thank you for watching. Tata, bye bye.